Hello everyone, welcome to Utkal Study Point. In this video, we will discuss weekly current affairs of 29th November to 5th December 2021. Let's start. First question: Lunar Polar Exploration Mission LUPEX is a joint mission to the moon, involves which two countries? The right answer is India and Japan. The India Japanese Space Agency are planning to launch a joint mission to moon aiming to explore the polar region. The mission, which will be known as Lunar Polar Exploration Mission LUPEX, will comprise of an Indian lunar lander and a Japanese rover. Next question: Name of the Minister of State of Personnel who has recently launched unique face recognition technology for pensioner. The right answer is Jitendra Singh. Ministry of State Personnel Jitendra Singh launched a unique face recognition technology that would act as proof of life certificate for pensioners. Next question: Which country has successfully test fired ballistic missile Shahin 1A? The right answer is Pakistan. Pakistan successfully tested Shahin 1A ballistic missile. The Shahin 1 is the Pakistani land-based supersonic and short to medium range surface to surface guided ballistic missile, jointly designed and developed by the joint venture of NASCOM and National Defence Complex. Next question: Name of the Minister of State for Ayush who has recently inaugurated the 3-day program Ayurveda for 2021. The right answer is Munspara Mahendra Bhai. Ministry of State for Ayush Munspara Mahendra Bhai virtually inaugurated the Ayurveda Parv 2021 in New Delhi. Ayurveda Parv 2021 is 3-day events which being organized to promote Ayurveda. Next question: International Telecommunication Union and which department has recently launched India ITU joint cyber drill? The right answer is Department of Telecommunication. Department of Telecommunication and International Telecommunication Union have commenced India ITU joint cyber drill 2021. The cyber drill is intended for Indian entities, especially critical network infrastructure operations. It is a 4-day virtual event. Next question: India and which country has started the WISER program for women researchers? The right answer is Germany. India and Germany launches WISER, the program called Women's Involvement in Science and Encouraging Research. WISER program was launched by Indo-German Science Technology Center for encouraging women's researchers. Next question: The death anniversary of which leader is observed as Mahaparinirvan Divas? The right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Mahaparinirvan Divas is observed on 6th December every year to mark death anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question: Supporting India against climate change. Which country has recently announced 1.2 billion euros for India's aid? The right answer is Germany. Germany announces Euro 1.2 billion to support India's fight against climate change. Next question: Which country has launched the Future Soldier Modernization Plan recently? The right answer is United Kingdom. The United Kingdom launched the Future Soldier Modernization Plan to improve manpower serving military and future investment in weapons. Next question, what is the name of the category of Bangladesh and Nepal as per UN General Assembly's recent resolution? The right answer is developing country. The United Nations General Assembly has adopted a historic resolution to grant three nations, including Bangladesh and Nepal, from the least developed countries category to developing countries, grouping a major milestone demonstrating the country's significant development progress. Next question, Skyroot Aerospace has recently test fired India's first privately built cryogenic rocket engine of which name? The right answer is Dhaban 1. Space tech startup Skyroot Aerospace announced that it has successfully tested Dhaban 1, which is claims to be country's first privately developed fully cryogenic rocket engine. Next question, who has won National Blind Cricket Tournament? The right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh defeated Karnataka by 27 runs to win the T20 cricket tournament for the blind at Arun Jaitley Stadium, New Delhi. Next question, where is the Indian Railways to build world's highest bridge? The right answer is Manipur. The world's tallest bridge is being built in Manipur by Indian Railways. The bridge being built at a height of 141 meters. It will be surpassing the existing record of 139 meters in Europe. Next question, which woman has been ranked first in the list of 50 most powerful women of the country released by Fortune India? The right answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has been ranked first in the list of 50 most powerful women of the country released by Fortune India. Next question, Indian Air Force has received two Mirage 2000 fighter aircraft from which country? The right answer is France. Indian Air Force received Mirage 2000 fighter from France. The aircraft would now be upgraded to latest standard as part of the Mirage upgraded program by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Next question, which of the following drama film has recently won the ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal at the 52nd edition of International Film Festival of India? The right answer is Lingui the Scots Bond. The international co-produced drama film Lingui the Scots Bond won the ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal at the 52nd International Film Festival of India in Goa. The film reflects Mahatma Gandhi's ideal of peace, tolerance and non-violence and was co-produced by Belgium, France, Germany and made with Arabic and French language. Next question, which city will be Andhra Pradesh new capital? The right answer is Amaravati. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy announced that Amaravati will have the only capital of Andhra Pradesh. The decision puts to rest the row over three capital of Andhra Pradesh. Next question, according to a report, which state has become the largest manufacturing hub of the country? The right answer is Gujarat. Gujarat overtakes Maharashtra to become the India's leading manufacturing hub, according to data from the Reserve Bank of India. Next question, in which city of Uttar Pradesh has Sri Amit Shah recently laid the foundation stone of Maha Shakumbhari Devi University. The right answer is Saharanpur. Union Ministry of Amit Shah lays the foundation stone for Ma Shakumbhari Devi University in Saharanpur of Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Which state's tribal woman Matilda Kulu has been included in the list of most powerful women of the Forbes? The right answer is Odisha. Matilda Kulu, a ASHA worker from Odisha, Sundargarh, among Forbes' most powerful women of the women of in India. Next question. Who among the following has released a book titled Bangladesh Liberation at 50? Vijay with Synergy India Pakistan War 1971. The right answer is Manoj Mukundan Narawane. Manoj Mukunda Narawane has released a book titled Bangladesh Liberation at 50. Vijay with Synergy India Pakistan War 1971. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs? The right answer is Vivek Johari. IRS officer Vivek Johari appointed as chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs. Next question. Which state has recently started street project to promote tourism? The right answer is Kerala. Kerala Tourism launches street project. The street is an acronym for Sustainable, Tangible, Responsible, Experiential Tourism Hub. Next question. Which country will build world's first floating city by 2025? The right answer is South Korea. South Korea will build world's first floating city by 2025. Next question. Name of the Indian squash player who has become the first Indian squash player to win Malaysian Open Squash Championship 2021. The right answer is Saurabh Ghosal. Saurabh Ghosal has become the first Indian squash player to win Malaysian Open Squash Championship 2021. Next question. Which state has emerged as the poorest state in India according to Niti Aayog's Multidimensional Poverty Index 2021? The right answer is Bihar. Bihar has emerged as the poorest state in India according to Niti Aayog's Multidimensional Poverty Index 2021. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new president of Interpol, the International Criminal Police Organization? The right answer is Ahmad Nasir Al-Raisi. Ahmad Nasir Al-Raisi appointed as the new president of Interpol. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled Democracy, Politics and Governance, released by Venkaiah Naidu? The right answer is A. Prakash Raja. A. Prakash Raja is author of the book titled Democracy, Politics and Governance, which is released by Venkaiah Naidu. Next question. Which athletes has been honored with the Women of the Year award by World Athletics? The right answer is Anju Bobby George. Indian athlete Anju Bobby George has been awarded with Women of the Year 2021 award by World Athletics for grooming talent in the country. Next question. Who is the new CEO of Twitter? The right answer is Parag Agrawal. Parag Agrawal is the new CEO of Twitter. Next question. The Legislative Assembly of which of the following state has passed a bill for online sale of movie tickets? The right answer is Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly. Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly passes the bill for online sale of movie ticket. Next question. Which state will host the 7th edition of Indian International Science Festival? The right answer is Goa. Goa will host the 7th edition of Indian International Science Festival. Next question. From where has the Indian Railway flagged off the Rampath Yatri Express? The right answer is Pune. To promote pilgrimage tourism after the success of the Ramayana Express, the Rampath Yatri Express connecting Maharashtra Pune to Ayodhya was flagged up. The train will tour 6 pilgrimage destinations that are associated with Lord Ram. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled Indian Innings? The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947. The right answer is Ajay Memon. Ajay Memon is the author of the book titled Indian Innings, The Journey of Indian Cricket from 1947. Next question. Which bank has launched India's first credit card made from recycled PVC plastic? The right answer is HSBC Bank of India. HSBC Bank of India launched India's first credit card made from recycled plastic. Next question. Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatri Yojana, a scheme implemented by which Indian state? The right answer is New Delhi. The Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatri Yojana launched by Delhi government, under which senior citizens of Delhi go on pilgrimage at government expenses. Next question. Which state police has launched the Call Your Cop mobile app? The right answer is Nagaland. Nagaland DGP T. John Longkumar officially launched the Call Your Cop mobile app. Next question. Which city has topped the list of most expensive cities released by Economic Intelligence Unit of London? The right answer is Tel Aviv. The Israeli city Tel Aviv is the most expensive city to live in according to ranking by Economic Intelligence Unit. Next question. Which of the following state government has recently withdrawn the Char Dham Devasthanam Management Act? The right answer is Uttarakhand. Government of Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushper Singh Dhami announced that the state government will withdraw Char Dham Devasthanam Management Act after month of protest. Char Dham Tirth Purohit.